If a square minus b is equal to 73 and b square minus a is equal to 73, we have to find the value of a and b, and remember that a is not equal to b. So let's try to solve this. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now if we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, then we have a square minus b square plus a is equal to 73 minus 73. If we rearrange it, we can write it as a square minus b square plus a minus b is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of differences of square, so we can write it as a plus b times a minus b plus a minus b is equal to 0. Now here a minus b is common, so we can write a minus b as a factor, then a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this gives us two solutions. When a minus b is equal to 0, in that case a is equal to b, but here in the question it is given that a cannot be equal to b, so this is not possible. So a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. That gives us a plus b is equal to minus 1. Let this be equation 3. Again, if we add equation 1 and equation 2, then we get a square minus b plus b square minus a is equal to 73 plus 73, or a square plus b square minus a plus b, we can write it in the bracket, is equal to 146. And from equation 3, the value of a plus b is minus 1. So we can write a square plus b square minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 146, or it is a square plus b square plus 1 is equal to 146. Subtract 1 from both the sides, so a square plus b square is equal to 145. So let this be equation 4. Now from equation 3, we have a plus b is equal to minus 1. If we square both the sides, then it is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 1. From equation 4, we have a square plus b square as 145, so we can write it as 145 plus 2ab is equal to 1, or 2ab is equal to 1 minus 145, or we divide both the sides by 2, so it is minus 144 upon 2. So ab is equal to minus 72. So let this be equation 5. Now we know a minus b whole square, this algebraic expression, we can expand it as a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square. We can take the value from equation 4. It is 145. So write 145 minus 2 times ab. From equation 5, the value is minus 72, or a minus b whole square is equal to 145 minus minus plus 144, or a minus b whole square is equal to 289. To remove the square, we square root. So remove the square root with this square. That gives us a minus b is equal to plus minus 17. Now let this be equation 6. From equation 3, we have a plus b is equal to minus 1. Equation 3, a plus b is equal to minus 1. And from equation 6, we have a minus b is equal to plus minus 17. So we have two options here. When we take 17, positive 17, and when we take a minus b is equal to negative 17. When we take positive 17, we can find the value by elimination method, plus we add these two, it is 2a plus b minus b gets cancelled, 17 minus 1 plus minus minus is 16, divide both the sides by 2, so 2 times 8 is 16, so a is equal to 8. In that case, b is equal to, we have to put the value of a in any of these two equations, so b is equal to minus 9. When a minus b we take negative 17, in that case we have minus 18 this side, b and b gets cancelled, 2a, divide 2 both the sides, a is equal to 2 times 9 is 18, so negative 9. In that case b will be, when a is equal to minus 9, then a minus b is equal to minus 17, or minus 9 minus b is equal to minus 17, minus b is equal to minus 17 plus 9, or minus b is equal to minus 8. This minus and this minus will get cancelled, b is equal to 8. So when a is equal to 8, b is equal to minus 9. When a is equal to minus 9, b is equal to 8. These are the two values for a and b. We can verify this answer. When a is equal to 8 and b is equal to minus 9, then 8 square minus minus 9 is equal to 73. 8 square is 64, minus minus plus equal to 73. B square minus a, b square is minus 9 square minus 8, minus 9 square is 81, minus 8 is 73. So answer is verified. When a is equal to minus 9 and b is equal to 8, so minus 9 square minus 8, again 81 minus 8 is equal to 73, or 8 square minus minus 9, 8 square is 64 plus 9 is equal to 73. So answer is verified. So two values for a and b are 8 and minus 9. Give a thumbs up and please subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching.